Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah the easy way, 3-minute series, lesson number 34b, in which we will learn mudari' forms of two verbs starting with yadribu and yasma'u. We have learned 4 important styles of a verb. You have also learned fataha yaftahu, nasara yansuru. Let's take the third one now, daraba. Daraba means he hit. The mudari' will be yadribu, he hits. So it is not yadrabu or yadrubu, but yadribu. Why? Because it is easy to say yadribu. The last pattern is sami'a yasma'u. The difference is in madi itself. Instead of sama'a, it is sami'a. So let us start with daraba yadribu. We have learned fi'l madi, which is daraba, darabu, darabta, darabtu, darabtum, darabna. For fi'l mudari, remember Yasir on your right. Yasir, yadribu, yasirun, yadribun. You, Tawfiq, tadribu. Ana, adribu. Tawfiqun, tadribun. Wa nahnu, nadribu. Let us translate. Yadribu,
he hits.
Yadribuna,
They hit.
Tadribu,
You hit.
Adribu,
I hit.
Tadribuna,
You all hit.
Nadribu.
We hit.
Okay, repeat after me. Yadribu, yadribuna.
Yadribu, yadribuna.
Tadribu, adribu.
Tadribu, adribu.
Tadribuna, nadribu.
Tadribuna, nadribu.
MashaAllah. Let's take dialogues now. Since no one is hitting anyone here, answer with a no or la. Remember, madi is negated with ma and mudari is negated with la. So I will say hal fa'ala, you will say ma fa'ala. But hal yaf'alu, you will say la yaf'alu. In general, okay? So I'm asking, hal yadribu?
La yadribu.
Hal yadribuna?
La yadribuna.
So when I say, is he hitting? No, he's not hitting. Yadribu, yadribu. Yadribuna, yadribuna. They will remain the same in questions and answers. But when I ask you, hal tadribu, are you hitting? You will say, la adribu. Tadribu will switch to adribu and tadribuna will switch to nadribu. So answer me. Hal tadribu?
La adribu.
Hal tadribuna?
La nadribu.
MashaAllah. Can you translate now? Yasma'u?
He listens.
Yasma'una?
They listen.
Tasma'u?
You listen.
Asma'u?
I listen.
Tasma'una?
You all listen.
Nasma'u?
We listen.
Okay, repeat after me. Yasma'u? Yasma'una?
Yasma'u, yasma'una.
Tasma'u? Asma'u?
Tasma'u, asma'u.
Tasma'una? Nasma'u?
Tasma'una, nasma'u.
MashaAllah. Let's take dialogues now. Let us say that everybody is listening to the Quran. So I'm asking, Mada yasma'u? What is he listening? You see, with nouns you say ma, like ma hada, what is this? But when it comes to verbs, you say mada. Mada yasma'u, what is he listening? You will say yasma'u al-Qur'ana. So answer me. Mada yasma'u?
Yasma'u al-Qur'ana.
Mada yasma'una?
Yasma'una al-Qur'ana.
Mada tasma'u?
Asma'u al-Qur'ana.
Mada tasma'una?
Nasma'u al-Qur'ana.
That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.